Hi, this is a little video to help you with getting the gas heater going. It's a little bit tricky sometimes, so just want to show you a video to get it going. So just with the knob, just start a little bit to the right of where it says off, push it in, and we're going to take it all the way over to the lightning bolt, and we're going to hold it for about 30 seconds, maybe a little bit longer. So push it in, take it around to the bolt, hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Now with the button still in, you're going to continue moving it anti-clockwise until you hear a click, and then we're going to hold in for another 30 seconds. So there's our click. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and you should be able to see the pilot light. 11 in the middle, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and you can't actually move it any further at the moment. 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Then you're going to release the knob, and then you should be able to move it to either your minimum setting or your maximum setting. And there we go.